She look man good. Oh, we got to merge onto the highway, okay. Ooh, quick thing before I start. I was in a really good mood as I was coming here. As I'm driving here, I hit some random rock on the highway flying and completely just hit my front bumper. And now my fog light cover is missing and I have these weird scratches on my front bumper now. So as soon as I literally decided to leave the house and drive this thing over here to make a video and be super uppity and happy, this just happened to completely ruin my mood. So yeah, I really just want to go home and not finish this video, but I'm gonna try and stay strong and not let that bother me, and whatever, we'll just repaint the front bumper, I guess. I don't know, it's just really frustrating. It's really hard to stay, like, you know, uppity with this shit like this happening, but whatever. Okay, anyways, so from the looks of it, it seems like a lot of you enjoyed that reveal video, and I'm glad. Lots of positive feedback. I love all of you for tuning into that, and I love all of you for following that journey that I had. So one thing about the reveal video and just the whole process of, you know, fixing and upgrading and restoring this car is a lot of the parts and money that we put into it to get it to look like this, and all the things that were replaced OEM. Honestly, like, I feel like it's a good idea to cover that, and basically this video is going to be me talking about what it took to get my car to look like this. So sit back, relax, enjoy this, and I'm about to do a nice little walk around telling you guys about all the things that were replaced, all the new items that were put onto this car. So to obviously start things off, let's just talk about the moldings. So every single molding is brand new, OEM replaced. I wanted to make sure that the paint job stands out more with brand new moldings. We tried to do back to black, which was painting the moldings black. Cool, looked great, but my moldings were so old and rusty from the back, they weren't really clipping back in properly. And then I was like, you know what, there's a little scratches here and there on the old ones, so let's just get new ones and make it look even better. So we got that all throughout the car, as you can see. I'm gonna move my face and you guys want to see it. Moldings are brand new, the front bumper moldings. Oh my god, it's pissing me off so much, but whatever, gotta ignore it, gotta keep pushing. Yeah, so that's brand new. Obviously this LTW wing, not OEM. I wish it was. I don't have money like that, or do I have the time to find one because they're so freaking rare. The shop did a great job painting that. Definitely huge story behind that wing. If for those of you that know, when I originally crashed this car, it was on my way to buy an LTW wing, so that was a big deal, putting that on this car, and I was not going to reveal the car without that wing on it. And Poland, I got the Poland wing, the Poland special off eBay for 280 bucks. A lot of people know about it. This wing tends to sag a little, so hopefully, you know, I got a little lucky. It's not sagging too bad yet, but eventually will with the heat. But let's just continue with everything else. So the rear bumper is brand new OEM. The diffuser is brand new OEM. What else? The hood and trunk roundel, the BMW badge, is OEM. The 3 is still the old 3. I had to replace the M because my old M, the red, was fading out, so I didn't want it to look bad. We really did go full detail on, like, in terms of like parts with this car. Obviously all this is brand new OEM. It's a brand new OEM front M3 front bumper splitter, and then this is obviously aftermarket. It's a fiberglass rep of the LTW splitter, which I do intend to get in the future, but just not right now because money's tight, and that splitter is like $1,300. So these fog covers were actually full. Now it's fog cover thanks to this, but this fog cover was brand new OEM. Still is, obviously, but still OEM, not new anymore. We painted it. I did a fog light delete because I thought it would look cleaner to help smooth, and it's like a smooth transition of the whole car. And obviously the kidney grills, those are not OEM, and the hood roundel is OEM. In terms of replacement parts, the hood is the only non-OEM part on this car. The fender is brand new OEM. What else? The front bumper, the entire front bumper is brand new OEM, and the nose panel is brand new OEM. The headlights are brand new depots, not OEM obviously, and the corner lights also depots. I obviously, as you can see, did the French look. I thought it would look cool with the silver, give it a little bit of contrast. And obviously I got brand new Apex ARC8s with BMW roundels. I don't know how long I'm gonna rock those. I kind of like how it looks without them, and I also like what's starting to grow on me is the Apex center cap. So I don't know, I'll switch between the two whenever I feel like it, which is cool. What is also brand new in OEM is my sunroof gasket, which we took out for the paint job. This is brand new and OEM. There's a rubber gasket that goes here that is known to go bad and deteriorate on all E36s. If you ever see one, is brand new and OEM. Now everything that is OEM and brand new on this car has been sourced from FCP Euro, so a huge shout out to them for blessing it with the fast shipping and the amazing warranty that they give. Oh yeah, one more thing, the door handle gaskets are brand new OEM, so you can kind of see the difference of the door handle because it's still old, but the gasket, this whole trim is brand new OEM, so it does make a difference. You'd think like these little things don't make a difference, but when I was putting the old stuff on, all you see is a fresh paint job and everything else is old, so that's why this car came out crazy. And obviously it was a suggestion of the shops to go ahead and just put all new OEM stuff and replace it because it's just gonna look that much better. So like I said, all the moldings are brand new, that fender is OEM, that hood is the only aftermarket thing on this car, the sunroof gasket is OEM. We also put a brand new windshield, if you guys didn't notice in the review video. And obviously the rubber that's back here, not this trim, but the rubber inside of here is brand new and OEM. The badges, the bumper moldings, the diffuser, the front splitter, everything is brand new. So that's why this car came out looking crazy. I'm really trying my best to stay positive right now because of what just happened, because like I've been just obsessing over the front end of this car and how great it looks and how happy I am that I have a like mint condition E36. That kind of just ruins it, but trying to stay positive, it's really hard because it's like, what, as soon as I come out to make a vlog of walking around the car, this happens. Like it couldn't happen like 2 days later, like come on, but it's whatever. I guess what we're gonna have to do is paint the whole bumper, just because this has a chip and this, you can't just put touch up on this unless they want to put touch up, but it's just gonna ruin the look. So I think we're just gonna have to take the bumper off and paint it and get new fog light covers. But yeah, that is annoying. But anyway guys, let me know what you think of the car so far. I know a lot of you were commenting on the review video already, telling me how much you liked it. I do plan on doing a video talking about the future mods I plan to do to this car that I want to do and get done. Yeah, I just really want to, you know, go a little bit more all out with this car because I feel like it looks like amazing, but it could go a little bit lower, it could be a little bit louder, you know. I want to do a little bit more engine mods and engine maintenance because it is a high mileage E36. So definitely want to jump on that, don't want to sleep on that. But aside from that, that pretty much does it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you do have any mod suggestions for this car, if any of you are E36 owners, let me know. I feel like everything I've done so far has been pretty cool, calm, you know, because I feel like with E36s you don't really have to do anything to them. You just do like small little things and then the car looks amazing itself. Like, you just let the car do the talking, not like your mods, you know. Some people tend to like, they don't realize like less is more with BMW. So like you can do like all these mods and then you actually end up making your car look worse than it did originally. So don't be one of those guys. But anyway guys, that is the M3 right there in its beauty, just sitting there. I get so many thumbs up on it. I'm actually kind of surprised how many people love the silver. I was really surprised honestly how much people love the silver. But that's pretty much it. That's everything that's been replaced on this car, everything that has been done. But anyway guys, that pretty much does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.